Hi guys, this is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we are heading to Halong Bay for the first day of our 2-day cruise. We are heading off to Halong Bay today, so we are just packing up. We've just had some breakfast from downstairs and I'm getting everything ready in the suitcase. Halong Bay is like a little cruise, a one-night cruise that you do around the kind of Karst Mountains in Vietnam, so I'm really looking forward to it. Me and Callum did it a few years ago, but yeah, it should be really nice. I'm looking forward to going. Hi guys, so we are at the port now. We arrived here just now. It's taken us about 3 hours to get from Hanoi to Halong Bay, but we're looking forward to getting onto our cruise. We've just like checked in and there's like a little reception area, so we're just sitting here for a bit and then we get taken onto our cruise about 12:30. It's a pretty small cruise compared to like the big cruise ships that you get, but I think it's a bit bigger than the one that we were on last time. So last time I think there was about like maybe 8 rooms, 10 rooms, so I think there might be a little bit more than that. I'm not sure, but we will explore soon. We'll be getting onto the ship, but I'm looking forward to it. It's so pretty, like this area. It's really, really nice. I can't wait to show it to you all because it's just amazing.
We'll be long gone. Hang on, I cannot go wrong. God, I'm praying I'm not alone in this air of hope, 'cause I'm in love. You're a star burning bright in my heart. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag.
Hi guys, so we're on the cruise now. We just got we're on the second floor, like restaurant area, and we're having our lunch. So they've just come around and taken our drinks order. I've ordered myself a Vietnamese coffee. I haven't had one of these yet, so it should be interesting. I haven't tried one, so it looks nice. Callum's had one and he says it's nice, so we'll give it a go. But yeah, we're checking into the rooms in like an hour I think, but we're having our lunch first, so I shall show you some of that. But yeah, they've come around and asked us if there's like any allergies and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm looking forward to the day. Hi guys, so we're in the room now. I'm going to freshen up, make myself look a little bit more presentable, put my contact lenses in. But yeah, our room's really nice. I will show you a few clips of that now. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to our time in Halong Bay. We're going to go off to a cave, I think it is, a bit later, so it should be interesting. But I'm going to freshen up, get our luggage in now, and see you in a bit.
Here, I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud.
Hi guys, so we freshened up and I've got my hiking shoes on and we're heading to a cave now. It's our first excursion. We are in like a little smaller boat that's going to take us to the cave in a very unusual, unflattering life jacket that I'm feeling very snug in, I must say. But yeah, looking forward to exploring this cave.
What's breaking our hearts? I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. let's kiss the past goodbye. I'm longing to live this free life I've been hearing about. You will see us howling like wolves in the night, 'cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might get. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Ain't no worries, ain't no worries. Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh.
Right, so we are back on the boat now, and it's so like nice and calm up here. So we are actually on the rooftop of the boat now, and it's just like I think it's got like 3 floors to it. But yeah, we have just sat down and had a drink. Just got like a Coke. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The clouds are like, it was a bit hazy this morning, but you know, we've got blue skies now, which is really lovely. And so we were just like, do you know what, I actually think we'd prefer just to relax, watch the sunset, chill out on the rooftop. Happy hour starts soon, so we can't complain. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I shall see you in a bit.
Do you remember the lunch today? The deep fried spinach. So only when here, it's fresh and not before. So we have to use the rice paper here to rub and do it. And we have to deep fry it in the soya oil.
Hi guys, so it's now like 7 o'clock in the evening. We've had a few drinks, we learnt how to make some Vietnamese spring rolls, and we are sitting down to have some dinner. It is a set 4-course meal, so should be interesting. There's a few fish dishes in there, so I'm looking forward to tuck in because I am starving. Guys, so it's now like 8:30 at night and had such a wonderful day. We had a really nice meal. It was a 4-course meal with lots of different things that we were trying, and yeah, it was really, really nice. I really enjoyed the dinner. Now it is, like I said, about 8:30. I think we're just going to kind of relax and there is a bar. We're on the roof at the moment, but because it's a bit damp, everything's a little bit wet, so I think we're going to go to the floor underneath and have a drink there, and then get an early night, maybe sit on the balcony for a bit. But I'm going to sign off the vlog for here for today. Thank you so much for watching these videos. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also, if you do like the video, make sure you hit subscribe for more videos and some more videos of me living in Bangkok. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.